Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to download Java into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply go for any of your favorite browser and then going to search for JDK over here. So if you click on the JDK, we'll get this Java downloads website over here. So if you click on the Java download website, you will get the Java download website options over here. And from here, you can simply download it for the different version over here. You can see there is 3 operating system downloading options called Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So we're going to download for the Windows and then going to go for x64 installer. So I'm going to go for x64 MSI installer. So if you click on this link, the download will be started. And you can see it's 204 MB, so it will take some of seconds to download. So for that, keep patience. And you can see that the download is completed. And now what we're going to do, we're going to minimize it and going to drag down it into the desktop and going to click on it 2 times to install it, and you will get this installation setup over here. So if you click on the next, click next another time and then click yes for the permission, you can see the installation is completed. And now if you click on close, and now if you go for the file explorer and going for the local C drive, and now if you go for the program files over here, then you'll find the Java option over here. If you click on that, then what you can do, you can simply click on the JDK 23 over here, and now you have to copy this over here file location, going to minimize it and then go for a search option and going to search for environment variables. After that, click on the environment variables, then you will get the system properties windows over here. Click on this environment variables and then come over into the system variables, then go for the path, click on the edit and then click on new and going to paste the file location over here like this and then click OK. And now if you click on OK another time, that's it. And now if you go for the CMD prompt and if you search for Java space -- conversion, click enter, and after a short time you will get the Java 23.01 is downloaded into your computer. So this is how you can download Java into your computer in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see one of the videos. Till then, goodbye.